Welcome to the Hula, a bright and easy conch cottage here at Latitude Margaritaville Watersound. Step inside and this open, sunny layout welcomes you right in. The great room feels light and airy, made for relaxed, laid-back island living. The kitchen shines with a center island, pendant lights, and a coastal tile backsplash. Gather around the dining table for sunny meals under a breezy chandelier. A flexible den gives you the perfect spot for a home office or a quiet read. The primary suite is your peaceful retreat, framed by a calming coastal accent wall. Its private bath features a dual vanity and a roomy walk-in shower. A guest bedroom offers your visitors a bright, comfortable space of their own. And a dedicated laundry room keeps everyday life simple and tidy. This is the Margaritaville life. I'm Karen Lawell with Counts Real Estate Group. Let's find your place in paradise. Hi everyone, I'm Karen Lawell. If you're dreaming of a new life in Latitude Margaritaville, give me a thumbs up and click the subscribe for a new home tour every week, and reach out anytime you're ready to make the move.